This summer, through a collaboration with UMass Boston, Mass Higher South Shore, and Quincy Public Schools Ladders 2 Success Program, 6 rotating students joined our youth workshop for 6 weeks. By connecting auto detailing to life's process, they discovered that every step can lead to a stronger, brighter future.
We learned about the process of how to wash a car, how to power wash, how to sew, all the process of how to get into little crevices, move around the machines, learn all about that, and I had a great time.
Car detailing is actually really fun to do actually. I did not expect it to actually have that much steps. I would have just taken a vacuum and just vacuumed it down. Thought it would be clean.
Do you feel like you learned this last hour?
I really focus on specifics and what you want to do, and not just let life go by.